What's up, guys? You're watching Everything Weapons. Today we have a new silencer suppressor announcement, so all credit to the Firearm blog by Daniel Y, and it's a new Banish VRMT 223K Ti silencer, and the ever-expanding family of Banish silencers has another new member. The VRMT 22K Ti is a lightweight silencer optimized for bolt gun use, and the VRMT 223K Ti features titanium construction and 5 baffles that disassemble for cleaning and field stripping. With a 22 caliber bore, it is rated up to 22 Creedmoor. Rimfire options like 22 LR and 17 HMR are also compatible. It also includes a half-inch times 28 direct thread mount, and the minimal barrel length is 16 inches for 5.56 and 223, or 18 inches for 22 Creedmoor. This is a very compact silencer designed to live on handy rifles. It measures just 4.7 inches in length, so just under 5 inches, and weighs 8 ounces. Both the black and FDE versions are available through Silencer Central as of writing for about $5.99, so you're looking at a little over $600 US, with shipping and taxes, obviously. But the stainless steel version is also available for a little less, 100 less. You're looking at $4.99 or a little over 500 with shipping and taxes. So this is a quote from the manufacturer. So Banish Suppressors, the industry leader for pursuit-driven firearm suppressors, announces the VRMT 223K Ti, an all-new 224 caliber silencer and a great fit for your truck gun. It is a short, lightweight, and very quiet, making it perfect for days at the range or evenings running fence line. And it says here, my love of suppressors stemmed from experiences, predator and varmint hunting, said Brandon Maddox, Banish Suppressors founder CEO. That's why I'm so excited about the new VRMT 223K Ti. It is perfect for hunting and heavy cover, or for keeping on the truck gun in case you see a coyote across the field, those times when you want a short, quick handling, yet fully suppressed rifle. Ideal for bolt-action rifles, the 223K Ti is compatible with all 224 caliber cartridges and smaller, including rimfire from .17 HMR up to .22 Creedmoor. Sound reduction averages more than 25.9 decibels in testing. Shooting a 20-inch bolt-action rifle in 223 REM, the 223K Ti brought the recorded report down to a hearing-safe noise level at 129.5 dBs. Again, all credit to the Firearm blog and Daniel Y, who wrote this article. And yeah, it has a good look, very sleek, very small, has some diagonal lines near its base, and it looks like it has kind of 3 smaller circles at its tip where the cutout is at the end of the barrel. Just a cool little silencer announcement, guys. Nothing crazy in today's video, but leave a like, subscribe, ring the bell, and type us a comment down below if you will be picking up the new Banish VRMT 223K Ti silencer. Appreciate it once again, and check out my other videos on the channel. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next one.